We are on the way to breakfast, and then I'm gonna go bottle some honey. Just kidding. Technical difficulties. So we have to go to the trash dump first. I'm gonna get yelled at for not tying that trash bag good. Oops.
Hours, I believe it was. 3.5, 4 hours they had it done.
Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Henry.
The battery's probably shot as well.
Oh, there's ants over here. Watch it. Don't step in them. Hey, buddy. Don't bite me. Hi. Does she care if you do that? Well, I just don't know.
You good?
Well, Elroy lives in here too. What do you know?
Once you do that when I'm beating on the starter.
Oh, jeez. Well, I can't see anything out the windshield. Does it have gas and all that stuff in it?
Huh?
Said
She might be just locked up. I don't know.
what does that mean?
Man, no good.
Hmm. How much is a starter? Okay. Good enough. Move, Mr. Spider. We don't need you.
about to pull it toward that building right there. I need to get in the steering.
Oh. Are you gonna tell me the plan?
Yeah, I'll turn the wheel that way. Turn the wheel back the other way and then back up.
Where am I pulling to?
Through the gate, you gotta stay wide. And I want to go back to the house.
Our house? What happens if you don't stop? You promise? Back up. Is that back up enough? At least this one's got air conditioning. Going back with the truck to pull it the rest of the way home. Gotta adjust my seat, my feet don't push. Well, now we have company. He is standing out there with his cooler. I'm doing a 15-point turn because it's a narrow road and a big truck and I ain't good at it.
Pay attention to me. I'm gonna have to get. You might have to get a little speed going.
Oh, great.
Rolling really good. There's nothing locked up. See,
What's that?
when I put it in gear and let the clutch out, it's
Oh,
moving the motor.
we don't do that.
I have to do that. I'm gonna try to get us going pretty good and pop the clutch, so you're gonna feel a jerk,
Great.
and then
What if I can't stop at the stop sign?
stop. Not this. We're gonna slow down long before then.
So what's my speed? 5?
Just watch me. I might go like this. I do this. I mean, slow down. That's me to go.
Are you making these up?
Don't stop. Don't pull. Don't pull. Go. Slow down. Stop.
There's a stop sign.
All right.
How bad did I mess it up?
It didn't. It just hit the ball. We're good.
Oh, good.
As long as you don't slam on brakes in front. I don't mind if it does a little touching, and then you can slow it down. Everything seems free. I just need a. I think I'm gonna get the tractor and push it down the hill.
Oh, and just let it just fall down the hill?
Feels like it's free.
I don't know what that means.
the truck around. I want to use a jumper cable to see if it'll get it turn over. Huh?
Assuming I'm unhooked.
Not yet.
No. I thought I broke the chain off. Good. Oh. Why are you doing this?
I'll take the starter if you want.
Is that a new, huh?
I'm excited.
Is that a new battery?
No. It's
Oh.
new, but it ain't no good.
Oh, okay. Was that a good thing it did?
Yeah, yeah. I need
Does it come with all the trash in the back too? Does it come with all the trash in the back?
If I can get it running, I'm gonna go dump that shit.
Get it running with brakes, right?
I need starter fluid and some gasoline.
You need to put the hood down?
Yeah.
I'm just worried about pulling it in our driveway.
Why? Can it stop?
Well, because our driveway's downhill.
Yeah. Put some gas in first.
Oh, that might help. What just fell inside on me? Probably just part of the truck, not a spider. What now?
Just put on. I gotta put gas in it.
Oh. I'm getting excited. Oh, and that just flew up my nose. That was unfortunate.
Go ahead. Not doing anything?
No.
Right now. Put the gas.
Okay, I'm sorry. Which one is the gas?
The little one.
The little tiny thing?
Yeah. Push that.
Ready?
You push. Let me see. You push it. Push it a few times. Hold it down and turn the key.
Around the block. You mean like more highway? More road?
Start again.
Well, I thought we were going home
Push
with
the
it.
gas all the way to the floor.
Why do you want to pull it around again?
Just to see if I can jump it. And I think that I don't know if it's not getting sparked or what. But I'm gonna get you to get the tractor and you can push me and I'll roll down the hill.
And hope you stop. Oh, that's a further jump than what I thought.
You just turn around. Unless you want to go around the block again.
I mean, if I have to, I will, but I'm not good at it. I mean, if you feel like that's what it needs.
I just don't think it's getting fire. So it ain't, I don't think it's really good. It's just not closing up. Let's just pull in the driveway.
Alright. It's just right there. We can make it that far. Right? can make it that far. Right. Ready? Oh. Oh my God, I'm going in reverse. Not me. Oh. Nana is looking at me like, what the heck is going on? Okay, please don't let there be any cars coming. Of course there's a car coming. Sorry. Man. Hey, Nana. Are you sure? Oh, I don't want to keep going. Uh-oh. Go get the tractor, and then I'm gonna push it down the hill.
Yeah, you just gotta push him over that thing.
And then what?
I'll be steering somebody.
Just don't hit the barn. I'm not sure if insurance covers that. Does it? You don't know either. Hey, babies. To that tree. There goes my air condition. Where am I pushing? Is that all you're telling me? Just. Ooh. Just don't hit the button. Oh, that was easy. Than I thought.